Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fresh fish banga soup, easy method. Start by preparing fresh fish and palm fruit extract, then chop onion and blend aromatic spices. Heat oil and sauté local spices gently to release flavor, then add palm fruit, stock, and simmer to thicken while stirring carefully. Finally add fish, adjust seasoning, and simmer until flavors meld and fish is tender. Warm your pot and gently sauté onions and blended spices to unlock aroma, then pour in palm fruit extract and hot fish stock. Stir consistently to prevent burning, reduce heat, and let the mixture simmer until it thickens and oil separates. Carefully add fish pieces and simmer on low to preserve texture, taste, and adjust seasoning. Then remove from heat and rest briefly before serving. In this video, I will explain how to make fresh fish banga soup, easy method. Quick recommendation. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker I used while filming. It keeps beats and timers handy during prep. Check the description for the link and other deals to find the exact model and offers. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Plate the banga soup hot alongside your choice of fufu, boiled plantain, or starch for a comforting meal. Add sliced peppers and fresh scent leaves or basil for bright aroma and color. Use a ladle to serve generous portions. Advise guests to taste and adjust heat with chili flakes or pepper. And store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for easy reheats later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.